Hello friends, welcome to Slide Hunt with C programming video tutorial, and in this tutorial I am gonna show you how to make a calculator. Let's start the program. Here first we need to ask user what operation they want to do. So they can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we are going to write here printf what operation do you want to do and a new line. Here 4 options are available to the user, and to show this option to the screen we are going to write here printf press 1 for addition and a new line. Next I am gonna write press 2 for subtraction. To do this I am gonna copy it and paste here, and I am gonna write here press 2 for subtraction. Next I am gonna write press 3 for multiplication. Write here 3 and here multiplication. Then press 4 for division. Write here 4 and here division. Let's check how it look. Compile it and run it. As you can see here, it print in the same way as we want. Now we need to read the number that the user enter and store it in a variable. So we're gonna create an integer type variable. So write here int n. To read the number we are going to write here scanf %d and then ampersand n. Next we need to ask the user to enter number. So write here printf and we're gonna say please enter a number and a /n. We need to read the number that the user enter and store in a variable. So we need to declare variable. Here we're gonna declare two integer type variable. So write here num1 and num2. And we need another variable to hold the result of the operation. So here we take another variable, that is result. To read the first number we use scanf %d and we store the number to the variable num1. So write here ampersand num1. Then we need to read the second number. To do this I am gonna copy it and paste here, and we are going to write here please enter a second number. To store the second number to the variable num2, here we write num2. We know when there are many options are available and you need to choose one of them, then it is better to us to use a switch statement. So I am gonna write here switch statement, switch a pair of parentheses and then a pair of curly braces. Here I am gonna write n, because when asking to the user what operation they want to do, the user enter his choice and we read it by scanf function, and then it was stored in the variable n. That's why we use here n. Next we write the case condition. In case 1 we perform addition operation. So write here case 1 result equal to num1 plus num2. Now we print the value of the operation. So write here printf addition of two number is %d. And give here the variable name, that is result. And then give here a break statement. Similarly in case 2 we perform subtraction operation. So I am gonna copy this and paste here. Write here case 2. Since we perform the subtraction operation, so give here minus sign, and I am gonna write here subtraction of two number. In case 3 we perform multiplication operation. So write here case 3. Here give the multiplication sign, that is star, and here I am going to write multiplication. In case 4 we perform division operation, give here the division sign, that is slash, and then write here division of two number. Next we write the default case. Printf wrong input. Our program is completed. Let's run it. Compile it and run it. It asks what operation do you want to do. If you want to perform addition operation, so press 1, then enter a number. I am gonna enter 45. Enter a second number. I am gonna enter 2. Addition of two number is 47 because 45 plus 2, that is equal to 47. That's fine. Now if we want to continue the program or execute it more than one time, then we need to use a loop. Here we execute the program at least one and then decide further we execute it or not. For this purpose we use a do while loop. So write here do, give here the starting braces and here the closing braces, and write the while statement, while a pair of parentheses. Here we are going to ask user, do you want to continue? So write here printf /n, do you want to continue, yes or no, then a new line. Now we need to read the character that the user entered. For this purpose we use a function which called getChe. The task of this function is to read a single character the instant it is typed without waiting for a enter key to be hit. Here E in this function means it echoes the character that you type to the screen, and at the same time it returns the character that has been most recently typed. So this function performs three tasks at the same time. First it read the character, then display it, and then return it. We need to store the value that the function getChe return. So I am gonna write here option equal to getChe. Since the function getChe return a character value, so we need to declare option as a character type variable. So write here char option. Now we are going to write the condition, that is option equal to y. If this condition is true, means if you type y, then the control go here and execute the statements inside the loop again, and if you type any character except y, then the condition is false and the loop terminates. Let's check the output, compile it and run it. As you can see here, it asks you what operation do you want to do. Suppose you want to perform subtraction operation, then press 2. Then it asks enter a number. I am gonna enter 34. Then enter a second number. I am gonna enter 3. Subtraction of two number is 31 because 34 minus 3 is equal to 31. Next it asks, do you want to continue, yes or no. If you want to continue, then press y. Then it asks again, what operation do you want to do. Suppose this time you want to perform multiplication, so press 3. Enter first number, I am gonna enter 5. Enter second number, I am gonna enter 6. Multiplication of two number is 30 because 5 multiplication 6 is equal to 30. Now it again asks, do you want to continue, yes or no. If you don't want to continue further, then press any character except y. I am gonna enter n and the program is terminated. That's it. Hope you understand. See you in next tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more videos, please subscribe this channel.